Yes, hello everyone. Peace out to all the Northeast people and Kumno Plong Paralog, Kasi people. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we are checking Jessie Lyngdoh, guys. She has another latest music video here by the title Kwai Ba E Tympew. We have Jessie Lyngdoh feat Albis. It's my first time gonna check Albis, guys. So let's check this amazing music video out here and we shall talk more later. How are you? How are you, my love?
Hala trep, hala idbe, ngasuk mensim, ngasyong marwe, tangbat, pibat isyasni, ibu samarki. Day papi, kindur babril, banjay sya, klem spa, klem po, waladuk, hindring isuk, tang u, kwai bat hasun ki her petki so ki ba ibang ya bamlang
Flying, guys.
Mariano kasni sya utbian shala itrep ngin her bran bran haling knot ngin ya shangang ringkap surtiang day ma pi kendur La pria usho Jingit kante sudo
Loveful.
Day ma pi kendur babril Banjay sya klem spa klem po Waladuk hindring iso Dang u kwai ba itin po Dang u kwai ba itin po
Butternut and the butter leaf. You know, guys, actually this song just reminded of my first visit to Shillong. When I went to Shillong, guys, I have one of my friends whom I visit, and the first thing they brought to me was Kwai. You know, though they know that I'm African and I'm not adapt to those things, so they brought Kwai, the butternut and the butter leaf, and they told us honestly, we khasi people, like how we share our bond and love is first by offering Kwai. So that back in the days, especially back in the days, like you can see, this video shows the old time of how the Khasi local people live their life. So the first thing they start with is a Kwai. So this is what bring the bond and the love. Whether you are a visitor, guest, or family, the first thing started is with the butternut and the butter leaf. So, and this is really amazing. Like that's why I see a lot of khasi people, they love eating kwai, though like it scientifically people say there is no much that benefit, but khasi people knows how kwai is very important to them as part of their culture and tradition. And coming back to this music video of Jessie Lyngdoh, guys, this is really so worth watching, and this has a lot of message, like a lot of amazing thing to learn about the khasi culture, the tradition back in the days. Though people are now living the modern days, but still I see khasi people, guys, they are the one of the amazing culture and amazing people who love their culture, and they are never gonna abandon or change their culture no matter what one day, or no matter the change they will face. And I also see a bit of similarities in their local way, or how their people, the ancestors back in the days, live their life. Like you can see the house, a small hut, and how locally they make their things, the food, how it's cooked, how it is done, and where they sleep, guys. Like this mat, which we call it, yeah, that mat, the local one. Like all things are done in a traditional way, like handmade. This is so similar, and this is what make me also to love the khasi culture, guys, because I see a lot of similarity, though we are from different continent, but I see a lot of similarity when it comes to their traditional. But the only different thing which I see, that we as African, like the first thing when a guest come home, the first thing which is offered or given is tea. Yeah, this also exists to the khasi people, but for the khasi people, kwai is something compulsory. Is there, whether you're gonna eat it or not. Kwai is offered followed by tea. So this is really something amazing, and this might be due to the weather and how their ancestors, for sure this is not something, I can never say this is, I can never say that this is useless. This has message behind it, especially like our ancestors, they know why they eat kwai. For sure they know why they eat kwai, though the scientist or the doctor will tell you eat kwai is not good, but those who live all back days, they know the purpose, the importance of butter leaf and the butternut, guys. I also tried kwai several times. What I love the most is just the culture, and just know that Jessie Lyngdoh, and yeah, the video is really amazing. First time also watching Albis. This is really a nice way to promote the culture and to make the upcoming generation to know how their forefathers, their ancestors been or have lived their life, guys. This is amazing. I really love it.